Okay guys, in today's class we are going to be doing color grading. So we already have this clip edited, well edited, just remain to color grade. So I'm going to play the clip so you watch it before any other thing.
I still have things I want to tell you. Small things. Something that happened today. A joke you would have liked. Then I remember. An ending no one could have guessed. Just time moving forward and taking you with it.
Okay, so this is the clip. This first part is not color graded. This is color graded. This is color graded, and then the rest is not color graded. So we get to work. I told you there are two types of color grading. You can either use filter, which is an already made color grading tool for you. When you just tap on it, it applies the settings and everything, and then you just have to change using this cursor to your satisfy. You can add to filter indigo, you can add 3, you can add 20, depending on your preference. But you're not going to be doing this. You're going to be color grading manually. So we did this. To color grade manually, we click on adjust. So getting to this, we have brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliance, sharpen, HSL, graph, highlight, shadow, white, black, temperature, and then the rest. So we'll start from brightness and then we'll be going. Just not that we'll be going. So starting from the first one, which is brightness, from there we'll be going to the last. What does brightness do? Simple. Increase the whitening or darkens the screen. It either brightens or darkens it. So this is what brightness does basically. So looking at this video without adding any color grading, what are we gazing at? Are we hoping to make this more brighter or more darker, or are we looking for something specific? So looking at this video, what do you want to achieve? If you ask me, I think I'm looking for a cinematic feel, which I don't think it includes brightness. I have to decrease this brightness. And remember, there's no particular metrics to this thing. There's no value 10, 20 to this 50. No, you just have to be tweaking it, taking it up, taking it down until you are satisfied with the color you are getting. So I'm going to be leaving this at 10. We'll move to the next one. What does this particular one do? Move to the next one. What does this contrast do? We'll move to the next one. What does contrast do? Contrast simply increase, controls the difference between the light and the dark part or area of the video. Let me show you. Once you increase it, you see everything that is light is lighter, everything that is dark is darker. Opposite, you just pull everything out. So it gives you that cinematic punch of feel. Oh yeah, that's what it basically gives it, that cinematic punch of feel if you tune it well. In some cases we do decrease the contrast, but in this case decreasing the contrast will not be a solution to what we are looking for, so we increase it. Okay, I think I like it at 15. Then saturation controls the intensity of the color in the video. If you're watching at this color and each color here, it gives you this more. You can see the intensity of the color changes. If you take it to the other end, which is minus, it either gives you black and white. That means it kills the complete color completely. It removes it or it reduces it, depending. So we have to take this in a bit. 10 is good, 5 is also good. I think let me leave it at 5. What does this brilliance do? It just adds like brightness. This particular section adds like a brightness, but not brightness. So when you increase it, it adds light to the area. When you decrease it, we get, but it doesn't really. If you tune on brightness now, it adds this. Let's say brightness comes with in 70% force in brightening a picture or a video. Why this particular sector, which is the brilliance, doesn't, let's say it gives it by 10%. I think 5 is good for me, or 7, depending on what you want. and sharpening, just giving it that more detail, which we don't want that much detail. I always like to keep this on 30. Then what does HSL does? This is where you tweak each color that is in the background. Looking at this background, you can see green, you can see a bit of yellow, then orange, then red to the face, then there's no purple, there's no, so those ones will not really work. So when you tap on green, if you go to saturation, be looking at this green flower, you see what's happening there. Yes, that's what this particular doesn't affect the whole clip. It affects the one that has the particular color. Okay, I think I like this to be like this, light. Okay, this is beautiful. Yellow. Okay. I think 15 here is good. I think this is fine by me. Then graph is not really much of a deal then, so don't touch graph. Graph is when you are, if you shoot on something called a log, if you shoot on log, that's where the whole screen is shining black and white. Then you can introduce a graph. But that's when you are shooting on log, you have to get a camera that shoots on log, or you use iPhone 14 or 15 up, then you can shoot on log. So that one is not really much of a thing for now. Then highlights adds a bit of a brightness, brighten the color, but nothing done too much. It's not too much, it just gives you this feel. It also darkens it as well, but just give it this feel. I leave it at 15 is good. Then shadow, that's kind of the same thing, but I don't think I need shadow here. 0. White, yeah, also adds white, focuses on the right color, make it more brighter, and vice versa. Same with black focuses on the black color and either brings out, lighten up the black color or make it more darker. So that's just for black. Okay, let me leave it at 2. Then temperature, if you take it this angle, if you take it to the plus, is warm or hot, that's reddish orange, burnt orange color. If you take it to the right, it's a bluish sea blue. So depending on what you're looking for, if you're looking for an evening scene, take it towards the right hand side till you are satisfied with the color, then you leave it. If you're looking for a morning scene, or depending on what you're looking for. Remember, color grading, there's no format to it. And you cannot master it if you're not doing it. The filters are being made available, but I still love to color grade with my hands. The more you do it steady by steady, you learn it. First time your color grading will suck, it will suck like very much. But as you continue practicing doing it, you get better at it, you get good at it. Then this particular one serves just like temperature is red and blue, that's what I'm called. This one is pink and green. Pink and green. So that's just this one. I think I like to leave it at 10. I don't usually use it more. So fade is this. It's just to add depth to your screen. I always like to add like 20 or 15, so you can just give the depth to the edge of my screen and focus more on my character, giving it that cinematic feel. And after that, that's color grading. Then to check what you color graded, I shift this a bit. This is the former, this is the original, this is the former, this is after color grading. So this is before, this is after. So if it's you, do you prefer this or this? And you can see here the trees are not much green, but here is green. We can also make it, you can tweak it as well, so it will now be shining red. It will be like in winter. It is winter and what have you. So if you are comfortable and you like this color grading, then you pull it to cover your whole clip. Just pull it to cover your whole clip, then duplicating the thing again. Just pull it and cover your whole clip, and then you pull it towards this side as well, cover your whole clip. So when it plays, it starts with the color grading.
I still have things I want to tell you. Small things.
Then you notice that this particular street has already have a color grading, and this one just made it more darker. So you split where the street, okay, this one so has as well. You split it as well. Then is either, I think this one is already too reddish. Split again, delete this part. so we can leave it like this. Then this particular one, we can then tweak it so it can suit what we are looking for. I think this is nice. So let's watch our clip and that's just a couple of it.
I still have things I want to tell you. Small things. Something that happened today. A joke you would have liked. Then I remember. An ending no one could have guessed. Just time moving forward and taking you with it.
Remember, you can add caption to this so it can give probably the people that are watching so they can be reading the caption of what they are watching. But since we are not trying to introduce any pro feature in our videos, caption is a pro feature. We can also add caption by uploading using TikTok, and then when you want to upload using TikTok, you then enable caption. Afterwards, save to your device, delete the upload, and then you can send the video anywhere you want to send it. That's another way of getting your caption without paying for pro. So that's it for the class. See you in the next video. Any question, comment, any video you think you want us to talk about, anything you just want us to elaborate on, or any effects you feel like I think we should have talked about this one, drop it on the comment section and we'll look into it.